Ready to save your masterpiece? Here's how to save your image in Befunky. Once you have finished editing, click on the Save button at the top right corner. Choose your desired file format like JPEG, PNG and many more. And also choose quality settings. You can also adjust the file size for easy sharing. Decide where you want to save your image, either on your computer, to Befunky Cloud, or directly to social media. Click Save and choose the destination. For higher quality images, select High for resolution to ensure your photos look sharp. Why do you usually save your edited photos? On your phone or cloud or PC? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.